They want us to plot the vertex and then graph the line of symmetry for this function. Well, first and foremost, before I graph this, I already know that this is written in the vertex form. What is the vertex form? F of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex is h comma k. In other words, my vertex in this particular case, h comma k, and remember this is the opposite. So this is like minus positive 3, right? So this is positive 3 comma positive 5. So my vertex is going to occur at 3 comma 5. Now also the line of symmetry is my line of symmetry or axis of symmetry, which cuts the graph in half, that's going to occur at x equals whatever the x value, right? The x value of my vertexes. So it's going to occur at x equals 3. So again, I'm going to go to the Desmos calculator. I'm going to plug in that function x minus 3 raised to the 2 plus 5. And let me zoom out a little bit. And this is the actual graph. And sure enough, the vertex is at 3 comma 5. So let's take a little snapshot of that. And we'll incorporate that in our notes. And so now to graph the line of symmetry, I'm just going to graph a line. Oops. So this is the line of symmetry, x equals 3. Okay? Does that make sense?